I use Easton because I think they have the best sticks, particularly with the S19. I think they did a really good job of making it a little more durable. It's totally perfect for me. It just feels good in my hands. The release off of it is so much better than some of the sticks I've used.
In front row, score!
Obviously, elliptical technology gives it a pretty good snap. Really comes off the blade hot. Gives you that softer feel, but still keeps the power of the shot. You don't feel the blade bending at all.
It's the most balanced stick. You can really feel the puck on the blade.
It's not bottom heavy, it's not bottom light. Responds very well and so awesome to control.
Heatley, fire, scores!
I've used the new models when they come out and can't believe how much better they've gotten, and just when you think it can't get any better, they come out with something else.
For face-offs, for receiving passes, for shots, it just outperforms any other stick. I can't put a price or anything on performance.